Welcome back everyone to Wayne's Diecast. In this video review we're going to have a look at this H1 Hummer from Maisto. It's a special edition in a goldy colour, 118. It's just a quick look at the outside of the box. It just tells you about some of the features there. Then we've got licensing, trademarks on the bottom. So 2023 copyright date on this. Now I've just seen here a scale range 117 to 119. So obviously it's not, which to me that doesn't look 118. But yeah, just noticed there, so obviously they've given themselves some wiggle room. But it would be good if it was 118, rather than just an estimate, or allowing them to make them different sizes. It really does need to be 118, but this is a bit smaller. I do know that. I can clearly see that it is a bit smaller. I guess that way they don't have to make different size boxes for the different size vehicles. So, because if they did stick to scale, then they'd have to make a bigger box for this, and they're not obviously willing to do that. But I would appreciate it if they were the same size. I'll get this open. I know I'm not... I guess I'm not too fussed when it comes to like 164. I sort of don't really care too much if it's a slightly different size, but 118, I sort of want it to be 118 scale. What's going on? Oh, there we go. Yeah. But it'll still be alright sitting on the shelf. Still look okay. Just you do notice that it is a bit smaller. Again, I didn't pay a lot for it. Sounds like there's something loose, maybe. Don't know. We'll get it out and I'll have a look. Right, that's out of the cardboard. We'll get this these little straps off. Oh, come on. Right. So it does have suspension. God, mirrors aren't too good. Break them. Yeah, sort of moved. Yeah, we do have suspension, works pretty good. It's fairly light. So I think most of all the top and doors, is it? I think. Yeah, doors are plastic. All the top is plastic. It's just the main body that is die cast. And then, yeah, plastic chassis. But good enough. Didn't pay a lot for it, which is good. Alright, let's start this little review. Now, I've lost my pointer. Well, I didn't lose it. There was some other people here, and they lost it, which is typical. All right. So we'll start off at the front. Now, oh yeah, it does. Yep. So the bar at the front there, that comes down. Because this here does open. The bonnet does open. Now, right, oh yeah, there we go. Come on. Oh, cooperate with me. Oh, pain in the bum. That's where I need my little plastic pointer. So anyway, don't know where it went. I'll sort that out in a second. Alright, so front end here looks pretty good. Although, we got indicators up here. That one's not quite straight. That one's okay. What do we have here? We've got 6.5 litre. There, we've got Hummer on that side. The headlights still look good. Grille, that looks fine. And the grille up the top here, that all looks good. Windscreen wipers, they're separate pieces, which look pretty good. The two windscreen sections here, they look good. No problems. Paintwork so far seems pretty good on this. Wheels look pretty good. The outsides anyway, I don't like this, the inside of the wheel there. Although it's, it's a cheap model, and it is Maisto, so you can't expect a lot, but it just does look a bit silly. So, but there's plenty of steering there, and the suspension does work. So yeah, so we can see the tread on the would have been 37-inch tyres on this, Goodyears. And then we've got Hummer down the bottom. We've got a little aerial here, so you'd have to be careful of that one. And mirror on the side, which are movable. They do move. Now these doors are plastic, as I said before. We do have, now, where have I also put, oh, there's my light. It's alright, I haven't done a review in a few weeks, because I've just been doing, catching up on some of the stuff that I've already recorded, which I've been doing, but I'm slowly running out of pre-recorded videos. And this just came in the other day, so I thought I'd do a video on this one. But I'm normally backed up. I've got 10 or so videos always ready to upload. So we've got some details inside there, instruments and that. It is pretty basic. It's very plastic, sort of, plastic appearance. Again, it's Maisto, so I don't expect a lot. I didn't pay a great deal for it. But it's good, just the seats do move a bit. And they do have seatbelt details there, separate pieces. You can sort of see in there, a bit difficult, being all black. But the doors open and close, good. Shut fine. So, you can sort of see inside there, but as you can see, the roof is plastic. Then we can see in this wheel arch here, we can see the exhaust the chrome exhaust that they've put there. We've got some windows at the back here. And again, suspension at the back, same wheels and tyres. And we've got a good tail light there. This one here is a little bit crooked. Back doors don't open. It would be good if they did. And we have a tow hitch here, which is hollow. So you could probably make a little hitch there to hook a trailer up to it. Hummer on the where the number plate is there. And then we can see the independent suspension at the back. None of this moves. It's just the wheel. Then the passenger side, we're all mostly the same apart from the fuel filler here. And H1 on the side. So let's get this off. There we go. Is that as far as it? Yep, that's as far as it opens. There. That's, I'd sort of say useless. Yep, that's as far as it opens. Would have been better off just not even bothering with that. That's as far as it goes. It won't stay up itself. Unless, nah, that's it. That's as low. The hinge system there looks like it should go up further, but it's not allowing it to. Nah, I'll end up just breaking it. Unless someone's got one and theirs operates a bit better, tell me about it. Unless this bumper comes off somehow. No, so that's as far as it goes because it hits on the front. But as I said, it looks like that gap in there. So where are we? So this part in here, as you can see that hollow section where it's curved around, it looks like it should open up further. But it's getting caught on this front bumper. So if someone else has got one, let me know if you've had luck in getting it open further. But you can see in there, not a lot, but you can. So we can see the 6.5 litre V8 diesel. It's not super detailed in there, but it's got some detail. Now, this should be a diesel, but oh yeah, turbo diesel. But why? I don't know. See, they've got here. Where can you see in there? Maybe it looks like they've got like spark plug leads there, but it could be something else. That's just to me that's what it looks like. But anyway, not too important. So I'll sit that back down and leave that closed because it is actually a pain in the bum Yeah, that one's... Yeah. Yep, I will leave that the way it is. That will just stay down. I will not be having that bonnet open. Okay, so that's all that. Now let's have a look underneath here. So they've done pretty good with underneath, I think. Fairly accurate. Like, you know, with all the guards on there. We can see the motor back here. Front differential, shafts, the transfer case, all the exhaust, got the cat, muffler, yeah, rear diff. Yeah, so the diff like moves with the suspension, just not all these arms. So under here we've got Hummer used under license. We've got scale 118, which I don't believe that this is 118. I think it's a bit smaller, it's my opinion. I would need to get the measurements for a Hummer and see if it adds up. Yeah, so yeah, they've done pretty good. Of course, it could have been done better, but you know, you pay more for it. I don't know who else does Hummers. I'm not sure. But I think that will do the job for a Hummer on the shelf. Suspension works pretty good. Let me get that on the turntable. Okay, so we'll let that spin around for a little bit there, so you can check it out. So definitely, I think it'll be okay for a shelf piece. You know, looks good from a distance. Well, looks good from afar, but far from good. It'll do the job. So I don't know if I'll get another one. Might see who else does Hummers. I haven't bothered looking. So we'll see. But that'll do for now. Alrighty. Check out the other videos popping up on the screen. Please like, comment, subscribe. Share the channel as much as you can. And I will see you all in the next video. Alright. Bye for now.